to see the beautiful view of sunrise and the coastal line of the Oman.
Also the cliff to watch this beautiful scenery, scenic to watch this. Sorry. So good morning friends and welcome to my new vlog. Today is 9th October and we came for a small 2.5 hour trek at Bandar Al Khayran. Bandar Al Khayran is a very beautiful location, a scenic view. You can see the coastal line of Oman. This track is, I can say it's very easy track. You can go with your family and without any help you can just cover it within maximum 2 hours, 2.5 hours. If you are early morning, you can see the beautiful sunrise. This is spectacular view from the mountain. To watch this scenic beauty, you need to go till the end of this trek. And I hope you guys will enjoy this video and it will help you to come to this place. It's a very easy location. You can just search down for Bandar Al Khayran and you can follow the map. So guys, be tuned and let's go and see this track. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much friends. Thank you.